Hi everyone and welcome back, and if you're new here, hi, welcome, join the enthusiasm, subscribe. So I'm back with my bare face, and this is because today we're going to do the eyebrows, because this video is going to be all about eyebrows. Now in this video I'm going to explain how to do your eyebrows very naturally, like how to make them look very natural and very bushy and very feathery, but you know, like perfect at the same time. The model kind of brows, the kind of brows they have, like really natural, really bushy and really lifted and really fluffy. It looks like very natural, like you've done nothing to your brows. It looks like that. Just don't pluck your eyebrows, just watch this tutorial and then decide whether to pluck them or not. And this is how my eyebrows look when I do not get them done for like 2 to 3 months. So yes, this is like completely natural brows. And also you guys, this is going to be my updated brow routine, because the things that I'm doing here are the things that I've been doing in the past few days and currently. So yes, this is going to be an updated brow routine. So yes, now without further talking, let's head right into the video. The first step that you're gonna do is analyze your brows. Just look at it very carefully. For me, this one is more like a curved thing, and then this one is more like an arched thing, you can see. But what happens in the end is this one looks more arched and this one looks more curved. That is because of the scar that I have over here. It happens that whenever I like fill in my brows over here, this one looks very much like, you know, very pointed at the arch, and this one looks like very curved, and this is the finish that I want, like the curved one. After analyzing your eyebrows, next we're going to do the eyebrow gel. I'm not going to apply a lot, I'm just going to apply a little bit, you know, just to see like where the hair goes, because they are out of shape, so we need a base. So that's why we need to make them look a little bit in shape. Like we need to see the reality with the eyebrow gel. It's not going to be like very much vertical, it's not going to be like very much horizontal, it's just going to be like a 45-degree diagonal thing. I don't know, yes. So I'm just doing that first. I hope it's visible. Alright, so that is the shape that you want them to be. So even when you reach the end, just do the same motion. You don't have to like go anywhere else. The tip of the eyebrow gel has a lot of products, so just use that. Now that's enough. You don't want to put a lot of eyebrow gel, otherwise it will look very clumpy. Now you can see that this area over here is very much like non-uniform, I would say, and so we are going to fix that. But first let me apply the eyebrow gel on the other side too. So I think both of them look even now, as you can see. For the next step, I'm just going to clean under my brows, because I want to have a base on which I can work. Like you can see so many stray hairs, so what the concealer is going to do is that it will just hide them, and I know that where I have to fill my brows. So that's just it. The brow hair will peep out, but it will look like very natural. So just wait until I do it and then you'll see what I'm talking about. First, I'm just going to draw a line, just to get like a guideline kind of a thing, and then I'm just going to clean my brows. So basically first what I do is the line is straight. As you can see, it's like very much straight, so that I can get some symmetry, I can get some dimension, and then I'll cut out the arc. Alright, so this is the Morphe brush that I use. You can see it's very flat, and then this has got like this kind of a tip. Just start from here and proceed. So we don't want all of that part, alright? You can see that this brow is very much voluminous and this is not that voluminous. Like this has got a lot of brow hair and this has not. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make some false brow hairs, like on this side. Now for doing this, you can use two products. Number one is an eyebrow pencil with like very pointed and very sharpened. You can also use a brow pomade to do this. You can also use a brow ink like the one with which you draw like fake hairs. You get like some Japanese product, I think, but also MAC has one. So I've not tried that, but I know that it has one. I want to try that too. So yes, I really need to level up my eyebrow game now. So right now I'm just going to use this Nika brow pencil. You don't have to step on the concealer and you don't have to go below the concealer. So you know, just draw above it. So once that is done, next I am going to fill in my brows. And I'm going to use something that's very light on my brows. First of all, I'm just going to like very lightly fill in my brows. The strokes that you want to use over here are to and fro, alright? I know that's going to undo the eyebrow gel, but don't worry, that's nothing. We're just going to use one more eyebrow gel in the end. So I'm just going like to and fro, brush it down and just fill it over there. And if you want, if you feel like very incomplete over there, you can also make like 2 or 3 strokes maybe. I can do this all day. Now once that is done, we're going to clean under the brows again, but just under the brows, not above them, because you know it just looks very natural like this, so I don't want to disturb that. Just drawing the straight line again. So I'm just blending it in with my ring finger. First I'm pushing the product down and then I'm just dabbing my finger over there. So for the next and the final step, I'm just taking an eyeshadow brush. This is like a very round eyeshadow brush. This is also from Morphe. And I'm just taking a very popping kind of a highlighter shade and I'm just tapping off the excess. And next, I'm just going to like lightly go under the brows. So they are feathered and they're like very full, and then they're very bushy too. You know how sparse brows I have. So actually now, as you can see, we got the feather, like you can see like the feather, and then they obviously look very voluminous, very bushy, and they are also like very much full and very natural too. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give it a thumbs down. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And if you really like the video, if you think the video was really helpful, then please share this video.